Hi, welcome to Maths with Brian. My name is Brian. Andy the ant lives on a coordinate plane and is currently at -20, 20 facing east. That is the positive x direction. Andy moves 1 unit and then turns 90 degrees left. From there, Andy moves 2 units north and then turns 90 degrees left. He then moves 3 units west and again turns 90 degrees left. And he continues this process, increasing his distance each time by 1 unit and always turning left. What is the location of the point at which Andy makes the 2020's left turn? Pause the video if you would like to give it a try and continue if you're ready. If the blue dot is where Annie is on the grid, and every cell on this grid is 1 unit width and height, we can draw the paths of where Annie moved. He first moves 1 unit east, 2 units north, 3 units west, and 4 units south, and etc. If we draw a table of the step numbers and his change in x and y, you'll find that in the first steps, his x increased by 1. In the second step, his y increased by 2. On the third step, his x decreased by 3. And on the fourth step, his y decreased by 4. Notice that on all odd steps, the x changed, and on all even steps, the y changed. Now let's take a look at the path Andy makes. He starts facing east. After 4 steps, he's facing east, and after another 4 steps, he's still facing east. This means that every 4 steps, his process repeats, always facing east. Let's take a look at the changing x and changing y for every 4 steps. For the first 4 steps, the average changing x is -2, and the average changing y is also -2. For steps 5 through 8, the average changing x and the average changing y is both -2. Notice that for every 4 steps, the average changing x and the average changing y is both -2. Now we can find how many 4 steps the Eddie took. We can divide 2020 by 4, and for every 4 steps, we multiply by -2 to get -1010. Since Andy starts at -2020, and we need to minus 1010 to his x and y, we would get -1030 and -990, and that's our answer. Our math problem in the next episode, Steve wrote the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 in order repeatedly from left to right, forming a list of 10,000 digits beginning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, etc. He then erased every third digit from his list, that is the third, sixth, ninth, etc. digits from the left. Then erased every fourth digit from the resulting list, that is the fourth, eighth, 12th, etc. digits from the left in what remained, and then erased every fifth digit from that remained at that point. What is the sum of the 3 digits that were then in position 2019, 2020, and 2021? That's for today. Thank you for watching my video. Please leave a like, it means a lot to me. Subscribe and turn on the bell if you don't want to miss the next video. You can email me the answer to the next question or problem you want me to talk about. Thank you again and see you next time.